Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 3 is equal to 36. Now I'm first going to take the power of 3 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 3 to the power of 3. And now this is equal to 36 to the power of 3. Now, 36, well, this is equal to 6 squared, right? So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 6 squared to the power of 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So as you can see here, 6 squared to the power of 3, this would equal 6 to the power of 2 times 3, which is 6 to the power of 6. And in this case, this would equal x to the power of 3x to the power of 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is also equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. So then x to the power of 3 to the power 3 times x to the power of 3, this would equal x to the power of 3 to the power of x to the power of 3. This is equal to 6 to the power of 6. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, then this means that a is equal to b. So in this case, this means that x to the power of 3 is equal to 6. And now if I take the cube root on both sides, these two cancel out. Now I'm left with x is equal to the cube root of 6. So this is our answer. And this can also be written as 6 to the power of 1/3. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this trigonometric equation. So we have tan x is equal to 2 times cos x. Now tan, this is equal to sine over cosine, right? So meaning tan x, this would equal sine x over cosine x. Now this is equal to 2 cosine x. Now I want to get rid of this cosine x as our denominator, so I'm going to move it to our right-hand side by multiplying both sides by cosine x. So for our left-hand side, these two cancel out, so all I'm left with is sine x. And for our right-hand side, we have 2 times cosine squared x. Now, cosine squared, this is equal to 1 minus sine squared, meaning you could write this as sine x is equal to 2 times 1 minus sine x. Sine squared x, sorry. Now if I distribute the 2, I get 2 times 1 is 2 minus 2 times sine squared x is 2 sine squared x. This is equal to sine x. Now I'm going to let sine x equal the variable x. Sorry, let's do y instead. So now if I substitute that in, we get 2 times y squared plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And this means that if we plug this into our quadratic formula, we get y is equal to -1 plus or minus the square root of 17 over 4. And y is simply sine x, as we already know, so this means that sine x is equal to -1 plus or minus the square root of 17 over 4. So this is our answer.